Would you like to work faster and smarter in Excel, Word, Outlook and PowerPoint? Can you spare 2 minutes to boost your productivity? We guarantee you'll save at least 15 minutes a day if you regularly use our video library. It's amazing how much time we can waste and how frustrating it can be when we aren't quite sure how to do something. And of course, we don't know what we don't know. We love showing people quick and easy ways to save time and create even better spreadsheets, presentations and documents. We know that many of you just don't have the time to discover and learn new features yourself. And that's why we've created over 150 videos for you to choose from. You can browse to see what's available. Search to help you solve a particular problem. And once you're hooked, you might just want to find out what's new. Each video is around 2 minutes long and simply and concisely teaches you one great feature, task or tip. Of course, you can pause and replay them as many times as you like. Why not give us a try?